In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get more armor in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, there is not any actual armor in LEGO Fortnite, but there are some things that act as if they were armor. If you go into your crafting bench and go to this icon right here, there's going to be different shields and charms that you're going to be able to equip. Now, for example, if you have a shield, it blocks the incoming damage. If you use and craft some health charms, this is going to add hearts, so I have 5 hearts instead of what I had before. Now, there's also these where when you are full health, you have bonus health after a few seconds, and then there's some different charms in terms of the temperatures. That's really all there is to it. You just need to upgrade your crafting bench to get all of these recipes. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.